What's cracklin', everybody? Welcome back once again to the definitive cereal tier list, where each episode we take a cereal, rank it on the tier list from F up to S, and that's pretty much it. Very straightforward. I'm your host Tucker, and in this episode we're taking Chips Ahoy cereal. We've been doing cookies so far. Post has done a line of cookie-based cereals, and in the last two episodes we did Oreo O's, which we gave a D. They weren't bad. I'd still eat them, but they just didn't nail what they were going for, and I think there's better chocolate options. Kind of like Oops All Berries, the other D. I think it's fine, but there's better stuff. And we actually gave an E. It's a big thing, it's hard to hold. We gave an E to Golden Oreos. They had things going for them. The taste was strong and it was crunchy, but it's just not a good taste. The vanilla stuff didn't do it for me. I'm expecting this to do it for me, but who's to say? So let's get into it here. Opening up the box of cereal. Bag time. Oh, nailed it. Oh. Okay. The smell was really odd at first, but now okay, I'm getting it. It's normal smell. Normal smell. Like a cookie, kinda. These ones look way lighter. That's weird. False advertising. All right, let's get some milk on these cookies. It looks like there's a couple pieces of chocolate on every cookie. So, I feel like normally Chips Ahoy's got a ratio than that, so unrealistic. Okay. That first bite was super bland. The second one, not as much. There's still not a lot going on there. Maybe it's because I just had those powerful golden Oreo O's. It doesn't feel like there's a ton happening here. I can hardly even tell there's chocolate. Yeah, there isn't. Okay, that was a little better. That bite I liked a little more. There's still weird spider eye looking chocolate pieces. Aren't really doing anything. Kind of like the cream pieces on the Oreos. It's like I can't nail the full taste. I'm not sure what the taste of the cookie piece is either. It's not flavored, obviously. It's just like, I don't know. These oat, are these corn? First ingredient is corn flour. Second ingredient, grain oat flour. Maybe it's a mix, like crunches. Produced with genetic engineering. Only science can bring us mini cookies. like between pieces here where it's like not quite soggified all the way, not quite full crunchy. It's not bad. But still, those chocolate chips I don't think are doing anything. Let's see if the milk's got flavor. Sorta. There's nothing. It's very boring. I think that's the issue. Every once in a while there's a bite where I'm like, oh, okay. And most of the time it's just really kind of nothing. Okay. I thought I found pieces without any chocolate. I was like, whoa, it's not going to change the flavor at all. They do get a little slimy at the end. I gotta test it out. I gotta get a piece, pull off one of the chocolate bits, see what's going on there. Yeah, not really anything. Shocker. No. Well, this is disappointing. A chocolate chip cookie cereal, but without any chocolate taste. Like, pretty much at all. Like, there's like the slightest, it's like the, not even a LaCroix of chocolate taste. You know how that's like the idea of a flavor? This is like below that. Where like you see it, so you kind of think maybe it's there, but I'm pretty sure it's not really. And the cookies themselves are very bland. So, there's another one. It's not like it's really bad. It's just, there's no positive. Like, they sort of look like them, I guess. But the distribution of chocolate pieces is not great. It just doesn't change the flavor, but like at least you could have nailed the aesthetic more, I guess. Yeah, I think this is going to also end up being an E. Kind of the opposite of golden Oreo O's. That was a really strong taste, it wasn't good. This was just kind of no. It's like there's something there. Like I there's some sort of flavor in my mouth, but it's not. It's like that much. It won't really be like that much. Like tastes like a cookie, or the idea of a cookie, at least. Like also, when we get to Cookie Crisps, we'll compare how this is to that. But I feel like even if there's a bit of chocolate taste, that'll be better, because it's not have it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe, and in the comments below, post your general thoughts. Let me know what you think about Chips Ahoy cereal. Do you think it's good? Is it better than Cookie Crisp? I haven't decided yet, since I haven't gotten there yet, but maybe you have an opinion on that. Maybe you like these. Maybe you've tasted some sort of chocolate in there. I sure did not, but maybe you did. Who knows? Tell me in the comments or on Twitter at TuckerOut23. One way or another, you can get in contact. It's just, I was really hoping these would be good. I thought I'd like these the most out of the cookie cereals, so this is a real big letdown. Until next time, stay delicious.